Today, we're diving into the world of privacy on Telegram. Specifically, we'll be showing you how to hide your phone number from unwanted eyes. So, let's jump right in. Begin by launching the Telegram app on your phone or tablet. On the main screen, locate the Settings menu. On Android devices, this is typically a gear icon in the top right corner. For iPhones, you'll find it in the bottom right corner. Once you're in Settings, tap on the Privacy and Security option. This is where you'll find all the controls for your Telegram privacy. Within Privacy and Security, scroll down until you see a section labeled Phone Number. This is where the magic happens. Under Phone Number, you'll find the option Who can see my phone number? Here, you have three main choices. Everybody. This means anyone with your phone number can find you on Telegram. My Contacts. This allows only the people saved in your contact list to see your phone number. Everyone else will be left in the dark. Nobody. This is the ultimate privacy setting. By choosing Nobody, your phone number will be completely hidden from all Telegram users, even those in your contacts. If you selected Nobody in the previous step, an additional option called Who can find me by my number will appear. Here, you can choose who can discover your profile or chat with you, even if they have your phone number. Everybody. This means anyone with your phone number can find you on Telegram. My Contacts. This restricts profile discovery and chat initiation to only your contacts. Once you've made your selections, your phone number privacy settings are updated. Now you know how to hide your phone number on Telegram and take control of your privacy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.